Taking over Twitter accounts via stolen API keys and abusing them for misinformation or scam is nothing new. In order to avoid any leaks, the developers are suggested to never store keys directly in a mobile app where threat actors can find them. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Wow, Twitter has been exposed in an ultra way. We gotta get right into it. We're going dark. This article is courtesy of Cyware. So more than 3,200 apps found exposing Twitter API keys. So researchers discovered a list of 3,207 mobile apps that are publicly exposing Twitter API keys, which can be used to gain access to or take over accounts. These apps were found to be leaking valid consumer keys and consumer secret API keys. Of these apps, 230 were leaking all 4 authentication credentials that can be used to fully take over a user's Twitter account. So how to access Twitter API? How did they do it? Accessing Twitter API requires the creation of secret keys and access tokens. These keys and tokens serve as usernames and passwords for both the apps and the users on whose behalf the API requests are made. The keys allow the app to take act on the user's behalf, such as logging in via Twitter, creating tweets, and sending direct messages. So who leaked the API keys? Researchers explained that the API keys are commonly linked by app developers who emmed their authentication keys in the Twitter API but forgot to remove them when the app is released. So what's at stake? What does this all mean? A threat actor with access to a Twitter account could perform actions such as reading direct messages, deleting tweets, accessing account settings, following other accounts, removing followers, and changing the account profile picture. A malicious actor in possession of the exposed tokens can thus build a Twitter bot army that can be used to spread misinformation on the social media platform. The API keys and tokens obtained from the mobile apps can be embedded in a program to run large-scale malware campaigns targeting verified accounts. So, mitigation and conclusion. Taking over Twitter accounts via stolen API keys and abusing them for misinformation or scam is nothing new. Developers are recommending to use API key rotation to help reduce probable risk incurred from a leak. They can also review code for directly hard-coded API keys. In order to avoid any leaks, the developers are suggested to never store keys directly in a mobile app where threat actors can find them. So what do you think? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Could you imagine campaigns? Could you imagine hundreds of thousands to millions of Twitter accounts of users who have no control of their accounts? They're adding people, they're tweeting things that they don't mean. Man, that's big. Hopefully Twitter gets a hold of this. Let me know in the comment section what you think. That's your news. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.